Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Friday. This is Javier Pagan, broker owner of HousingCrisis Realty and Associates, also known as HousingCrisis 007, real estate influencer. And today we're touching another brief topic here to talk about what is the seller's market and what type of cycles we have in the real estate market. So the first cycle that you have is the buyer's market. When you have a buyer's market, that means to you that you have about 6 to 7 month plus of real estate supply or properties for sale in the market. Now, when you talk about a seller's market, that means that you have 6 months or less of supply available for people to be able to find houses. Now, you also have the neutral market. In the neutral market, you have about 6 to 7 months of inventory available, where a lot of people can be finding homes in an easier way. Now, in today's market, we're a little bit less than the actual seller's market because we have only about 2.6% of inventory available. So when you look at today's market, you see that it's not only a seller's market, but it's a hyper seller's market. What that means to you is that, again, there's not a lot of supply available to buy when it comes to real estate. However, like I always say to everybody, if you have somebody that is experienced and somebody that can really help you out throughout the process, you should be able to find some supply. Now, it might be a little bit longer and you might have to be a little bit more patient, but eventually you should be able to find it. So if you have any questions or any concerns, don't be concerned to call HousingCrisis 007, Javier Pagan, broker owner of HousingCrisis Realty and Associate, and I'll be more than happy to put a plan together to get you that home that you're looking for. Thank you and enjoy your weekend.